Well, this is a range here just outside of Hawthorne, and this says Freedom Range is dedicated to the something fallen and wounded soldiers. Operation excuse me, Operation Iraqi Freedom and Operation Enduring Freedom. All the soldiers that have lost their lives. A little plaque here, and it's right along the highway, and we're right here in a restricted zone here, which we can't go any further because these are like ranges or test ranges. And it says here restricted area, so it says restricted area, so we can't go in there. And they got all kinds of stuff, maybe cameras here, I don't see any. So, and come down here, and there's a sign over here that just says kind of restricted area, and over there you can see all the storage areas, and those are just like huts. But on the other part of Hawthorne coming in, there's all kind of big concrete bunkers, lots and lots of them. Look how far it goes out in the desert. Hawthorne used to be a big place for I guess making ordnance, assembling ordnance, whatever here. And this is a sign here, says unauthorized personnel keep out. The area beyond this sign contains unexploded munitions which could cause serious injury or death. Oh, okay, I understand that. I'm not going in there, don't worry about it. Still a little windy, can't do the drone. Well, as soon as the trucks go by here, I believe this is Walker Lake. I'm on Route 95 North in Nevada, May 3rd, 2021. Walker Lake, pretty good sized lake, lots of water there. Yes, indeed. Oh, there you go. There's a little village up ahead. I guess that's the town of Walker Lake. Few houses there. It's not quite as windy here, but I'm too close to the road and the wind's blowing toward the road, so I wouldn't want the drone to get blown into a semi, or the semi to suck the drone in its wake. So still can't do it, but it's getting warmer though. All right.